Do you have a fridge like this? You having trouble with these? Where they don't move or change the temperature? I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Safety first. Turn off the power. Or unplug the fridge. Remove any top shelves that might be in the way. Remove the light lens. Then from the inside of the fridge, you want to get something to press these tabs in. There's two. One on this side, one on this side. What you'll want to do is, just a sec, remove this. What you want to do is, I have a small flathead screwdriver I'm going to use that works pretty good. You want to press in the tab this way towards where I am, towards my face. And you're going to grab this and pull down. Same thing on the other side. Pretty tight in there, but just take your time with it. See that circuit board? That's what you're going to be replacing. There's these little tabs on here. You can squeeze that tab and lift up. Now this piece over here, this thermistor, which senses the temperature of the fridge, just clips on right here. And we're going to pop off these wires. Sometimes I'll take a screwdriver like this to help it. Sometimes if you pull too hard with your hand, it can break these little tabs here. Alright, so now I've got this whole thing off. Okay, so now these two circuit boards, what you're going to do is you're going to look for a little sticker on there, like right like this one, and you'll see that part number. This one says PN 10, can't read that, 106372328. So that's the part number you're going to want to look for. If yours has the same one of these that I have, I'm going to put a link in the description for Amazon where you can buy one of these. So to get this off, you want, on this top part here, you're going to want to press up on this tab and pry it back. See, that's where the temperature controls are, the user interface. So then also you have another tab for this board down here. We're going to press up on that and pull it off. There you go, look. That's the circuit board. So when you order this part, you're going to get this whole thing and you're going to do exactly the opposite that you did to remove it. So just say this is your new board. We're going to place it right back in the position it's supposed to be in. Take your time. It has like a little track or groove that this fits in. You don't want to break your new board. Alright. And then this other side has this little groove. I don't know if you can see that right there where this circuit board goes into. And also remember, lift up on that tab a little bit, push it in, and there it is. You should be back in business now. So we're just gonna go back to the fridge and reinstall this. We're gonna obviously plug all our wire harnesses in, put the thermistor back over here, connect the light, and re-pop it into the top of the fridge. Okay, so here we go. We got the board. Just gonna plug everything back in. Oops. We're gonna take this clip, get it plugged in, get the thermistor back on. This thing actually needs to turn around this way. Okay, now see these little tabs here go into the holes. Get it lined up right, and then you just go and push it back in, just like that. All right, moved earlier, and this back on as well. All right, with the power back on, now you can control the temperature of the fridge and freezer. So just to recap this video, this was a really easy repair in my opinion. The hardest part you probably run into is when you have to remove that panel and use the screwdriver, but if you noticed, I didn't use hardly any tools on this job. I used a small screwdriver, and you could probably use something similar like a butter knife or something like that. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, a comment if you got any questions. Thanks again for watching.